Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheena with Sheenaisfab and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean with me. I have not done one of these in a very long time, so I am overdue. And I thought today was perfect because I need to finish up my chores at home before I go back to work tomorrow. Today is Sunday, by the way. I've been off for the past 3 days. I've been purging and cleaning like crazy. So today I'm going to finish up everything that I started because I started a lot of projects. And the first thing that I'm going to finish is my room. So if you want to see me clean, just keep watching. Okay, so most of my decor, it's either old or it's new, and I've included it in a recent decor haul. As you guys know, I'm divorced and most of my marital furniture I sold. So that is why I don't have a headboard. I do know which bed I'm going to be purchasing. It is on Amazon and I just haven't gotten around to purchasing it yet, especially with all of this Corona stuff going on. Shipments are delayed and that sort of thing, but I will be getting it by the end of the month. But if you have a question about where something came from and you didn't see it in a recent decor haul, leave me a question and I'll try to answer it if I remember. But once again, guys, some of this stuff is old. I've had it for a while, so just, you know, you might get, I don't know, as your answer. But yeah, if you have a question about anything, just leave it in the description box. And yes, that is a face mask I am wearing. I am multitasking, guys, because if you follow me on Instagram, I already said I'm coming out of this Rona thing with some clear, bomb skin, okay, and a fine body, okay, and you know, my focus and my clarity is going to be clearer than ever. So if you ain't following me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my Instagram name on the screen, but you should be following me, okay? So here I'm just showing you guys a little bit of my vision board. I wanted to make a video, but then I decided not to because I felt like it was kind of personal. And I didn't want any negative or bad juju about things that I am manifesting this year. But I will tell you, I have manifested something really, really big on my vision board, and I'll have a video about that coming up really soon. As far as any questions about my vanity, I will link the decor haul below and all the information about my vanity in the description box. And that Gooby Gone is from Dollar Tree, and y'all know I love me some Dollar Tree. And this pillowcase I also showed in a recent decor haul, but I'm thinking of doing a DIY with it, so you guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I made this Chanel picture. It was very simple. I just took the book cover off of my Chanel book that I got from Z Gallery and put it in that frame. That frame is thrifted, guys. So yeah, I will finish my gallery wall today, and I'll have the video up for that sometime next week. And guys, I have been shopping for spring, even though it looks like we will be indoors for spring. So I will have a fashion haul coming up soon of what I bought before Corona, during Corona, and those sorts of things. But I do have some new dresses in. I intend to wear lots and lots of dresses this spring and summer. They just make me feel so feminine and girly. So I have been buying dresses. And if you haven't seen my What's New in Target video, I'll link that below because I did purchase a couple of those dresses in that video.
first impression.
Listen, we do not do wire hangers in this house. I am a true mommy dearest when it comes to wire hangers. I do not like them. I cannot stand them. As soon as I get my clothes out of the cleaners, I'll go ahead and switch my hangers over because I don't do wire hangers.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
So guys, here I'm going to show you my favorite oil at the moment. It's this Love by Aromatherapy. It's by Bath and Body Works. I also have the body lotion. My bestie Nicole put me onto it. I've been meaning to do a favorites video for you guys. I don't know why I haven't gotten around to doing it. If you guys would like to see some of my favorite things that I use on a regular basis, just let me know in the comments and I will get around to recording that for you guys. And yes, that is from Dollar Tree, guys. Look, y'all know I love Dollar Tree, but every Dollar Tree ain't made equally. I mean, some Dollar Trees have better things than others. So you have to find the Dollar Trees in your area if you're willing to, you know, drive a little further distance to find the good stuff. So I have a few Dollar Trees probably within a 30, maybe 25-mile radius that I go to. And they're just all different. Some Dollar Trees I've noticed just do not unbox their things, which is crazy. That spray there is bomb. It is a Clorox spray. I don't think it actually has Clorox in it, but it's by Clorox. And that is the Tuscan Lavender Jasmine scent. But someone told me to try the coconut scent, which is always sold out.
The door's OPN.
So I'm going to burn some incense, guys. Who else burns incense? These incense are from World Market, as well as a little incense holder. So yeah, I'm just going to get a little aroma going up in this room while I'm cleaning. So if you like incense, leave me a comment, you know. I absolutely love incense.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
And guys, I won't be keeping that rug. Well, I will be keeping it. I'm not going to return it because I have used it. But I bought that rug before Rona, and I thought it was going to like go with my decor. But I'm going to go ahead and just go with a jute rug. I don't know. I'll probably give it to Shelby or something like that. But I just haven't returned it because they closed for Rona. So, so I went ahead and put it down on the floor, and I'm using it. So... But like I said, I'm going to get a jute rug once all of this Rona stuff is over. And here is my nice and clean room. I love it. And for those of you who do not know, I do live in an apartment, and I have a very big master bedroom. I was so pleased at the size of this room when I rented this apartment. I will link my apartment tour in the description box if you haven't seen it. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here and you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And for my oldies but goodies, y'all know I love y'all for rocking with me. Share this video with everyone that you know that likes clean with me's, and leave me a comment. Y'all know I love sharing with you guys. So if you have any questions about where anything is from, and you haven't seen it in a recent haul, just leave me a question, and I will get around to completing my gallery wall today, and there will be a video on that coming up as well. You guys have a blessed day. Be safe out there with the Rona, and I will talk to you later. Bye.